Hey everyone, it's Misanthropy here from spellsofmagic.com. Today we're going to be doing more reviews for items from the site store. The two that I have for this video are the Money Drawing Writing Kit and the Dragon's Blood Writing Kit. The Money Drawing Writing Kit I have left unopened just so you can see what you're getting and how it looks when it comes to you packaged. It comes with ink. Now this one comes with the money green ink. It comes with a green feather. And it comes with a leaflet that discusses how to use your pen, how to prepare it, and what to do with it. It also comes with 5 sheets of parchment. I've opened the Dragon Blood one so that you can see what it looks like. Now on this one you can see that these are cut off. It suggests that you do this to make it easier for you to write with. It comes untrimmed, the tip of the feather does. You can still use it like that, but it holds a lot of ink, so I would suggest trimming it down just to make it easier for you to write with. Now, these are the sheets of parchment that come with each one. They're a nice sturdy parchment so that the ink won't bleed through. You can use regular paper for these pens, but the parchment just holds the ink a little bit better. I'm going to write with this to show you. I don't know if you can see that, spellsofmagic.com. It works really well. It holds a lot of ink. When you write with this though, I would suggest just tapping your pen on the side of the ink jar. If you don't, it can cause a lot of bleeding and blotching because they do hold a lot of ink. The only drawback with this is that if you get the ink on you, it will stain your skin and your clothing, so be careful when you're working with it. And the other thing is that really surprised me is usually these type of feather pens will come with a metal nib, and what that is it's a little metal covering that goes over the end, and it makes it easier for you to control the amount of ink that you're using, and it makes the writing a little bit nicer. I'm actually surprised because these you don't really need that for. They work really well on their own without any addition to them. I've worked with this particular one, the Dragon's Blood ink, before for sigils and symbolism and spells and ritual work, and it's really a nice addition to spell work, and it's one that I would recommend. I have not yet used the money drawing kit, but if it's like all of the other kits that I've gotten from spellsofmagic.com, I assume it's going to work really well, which is another thing that surprises me, is because all of these ink and ritual sets really work nicely. So if you're doing something in a pinch and you just want the items ordered quickly instead of having to search for them, these are really useful for that. And they also make really nice gifts, so if you know someone that wants just a writing set or something like this to add to their collection, this is a really nice one to get them, so it works well for you and as a gift for friends and family.